In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Notion workspace. Backing up your workspace is a smart habit, especially if you use Notion to store notes, projects, documents, or important planning information. Creating a backup gives you a copy of your content that you can save somewhere safe, like an external hard drive or cloud storage. So you have extra peace of mind. To begin, open Notion and look to the bottom left corner of the sidebar. There, click on Settings. This will open the main settings area for your workspace, where you can manage a variety of account and workspace options. Once you are in Settings, select General. This section includes core workspace controls, and it's where you'll find the export option. Take a moment to scroll down through the page until you see the option labeled Export All Workspace Content. When you find it, click it to start the backup process. At this point, Notion will ask you to choose the format for your export. You'll typically see options such as Markdown and CSV or HTML. If you want a backup that can be more easily imported into other tools or systems later, Markdown and CSV is usually the better choice. If you prefer a version that's more readable for browsing in a web-like format, HTML may be more useful. Choose the format that best matches how you plan to use your backup. Before continuing, make sure to turn on Include Subpages. This is important because many Notion pages contain nested content inside subpages. And enabling this option helps ensure that your backup is as complete as possible. If you leave it off, some of your related content may not be included in the export. After you've selected your preferred format and enabled subpages, confirm the export. Notion will then prepare your workspace backup and send a secure download link to your email. When that message arrives, open it and download the zip file containing your exported workspace. Once the file has downloaded, save it somewhere secure and easy to remember. A local hard drive is a good option, and cloud storage can also be helpful if you want an additional copy available from anywhere. Keeping backups organized by date can make it easier to find the most recent version later if you ever need it. And that's all it takes to back up your Notion workspace. Thanks for watching.